This is a beautiful loaded top level 3ZR ZR1, and man, this thing is sweet. I really like it in the white and black color combination. Really goes good with all the carbon fiber accents in this car, and man, this thing is just gorgeous. What also I like about this white is it really goes good with all the blue accents throughout, like the calipers and on the manifold on the engine. But other than that, like I said, classic ZR1, 675 plus horsepower, and this thing is just amazing. It also has a performance camshaft, so once we're done checking out the car, I'm gonna start it up so you can hear it.